been my guiding force through many challenges in my life. So when something...
If you're doing that day in and day out, it has to affect how you feel about yourself, your level of motivation, your relationships. What kind of ourselves when our batteries run low? Because I don't care who you are, I don't care what you do, at some time you are going to get tired. The wherewithal or the will to do anything. That sometimes you act like you're punched from, you're just what drives you. Many people die at age 25 and don't get buried until they're 65. Let me tell you something. Life is a mess. I said, girl, what are you talking about? She said, I've been working hard all my life, paying bills and taking care of my children. And to that point, her life is for her family, for yourself to positive messages. See, what I'm doing right now, I'm distracting the story that's going on in your head right now. How you live your life, how I live my life, how all of us live our lives is a result of the story we believe about ourselves. And most of us are born into stories. I was born into a story where we were poor, but we didn't know it. I didn't know we were poor until...
Here I am, age 25, married, my family's starting, I've been to college, I'm working, and I still don't know how to set goals. Okay, the next subject is the negative part of the seminar. Life is part negative, so we got to talk about the negative. And this subject is called Disease. Give you excellent advice on this. Now,
upside down, boy. I thought that said boneless cards, boy.
The situations where the game is on the line, right here, a chance right now to take the lead is blocked. And you're going to see right now, big boy, pulling up, laying it down. You can see right there, that was a game blocked off. You're holding in the Jets. Right here. Try right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let's go. Score. for Jalen Hurts had only had one comeback in his career when trailing by.
I'm done cleaning my house. Everything is squeaky clean. I'm done showering. I took a shower and now I think I'm going to do some work and possibly take some pictures for my business, and then after that I'm going to meal prep and juice later on for the week. And yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, I think my Amazon package is here. I've really been, let me place this. I've really been reading more. So this month I'm reading the book Branding 2.0, and I'm listening to the book Atomic Habit, because I also have an Audible program. But I'm really like into my reading era, and I just want to improve like 1% every day. So these are the two books that I got. This one is called The Four Agreement, and then this one is called Imperfect. And I really got this book because I really want to just speak my mind openly and just not trying to be like perfect all the time. Like, I'm a perfectionist, and when I tell you, like, sometimes that keep me from acting and keep me from doing the things that I want. So I really just want to speak my mind, even if it's crappy, even if it doesn't sound good. Well, whatever. So that's why I want to read this book. If you struggle with imperfection, I think you should give this book a try as well, because I made some research and this one was the #1 recommendation.